Hi guys, Merry Christmas, and thank you for tuning in today. And hope you had a great evening last night together with your friends, families, and loved ones. And if ever nag-inusara ka gabi, I believe you're able to connect with your friends and to whoever is special through social media. And I also hope you were able to enjoy the evening last night. And if ever ni work ka, ay kabala ka, ay double pay. So, for today's episode, we will feature items that I bought from Penshop. Dili lang sa ta mag-unpack kung order from Shopee. Let's begin.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great.
Right, so if you can remember, one of my posts last week is about a sale that has been going on at pen shops dito sa Robinson's Fuente. So it was very fortunate, or it's very timely when I visited the mall. It was around 7 p.m. So wala gyud ko na-expect na there's like sale dito. So pag tanaw na ko daghan kay tao, so osyoso rasad ko, and good thing I was able to find mga items nga gusto gyud na kong paliton even before the holiday season came in. So we'll talk more about that in a minute. Okay, so before we continue, I'll give you a little background about aning item nga akong gipalit. So even before the year 2018 started, nakasulat na sa akong planner nga I'll be buying this item. But unfortunately, or wala lang yun naka lugar, wala na ko siya napalit at the early part of the year. So ako na lang siyang gitiming towards this holiday season, because I know nga daghan yung items kasi nga maka-sale and maka-save sa jud tag money. So another backgrounder, if you have noticed, actually ang kaning item nga akong gipalit is pants, mga pantalon, because I only have 3 pants nga akong ginabalik-balik sa office, and ang kani siya, or in particular, is 2 or 3 years na rin ako siyang ginagamit. And as a proof nga malmal na kayo siya, look at this. Nabuslot na siya eventually. I think pag sakay din ako og habal-habal, nagisi din siya. So I'm gonna mahimo na siyang pambalay, guntingon ako, and then I'll patch the buslot. Alright, because it's already in my wish list, so wag yun ko nagduha-duha pagkakita na ko sa pen shop nga naka-sale ang mga pants nila. And it's really amazing because I think you all know nga medyo mahal gid ang mga pants sa pen shop. Mo range siya 800 to 1,000 plus. So when I saw the price, nag heart dayon kay akong mata, kay it's very cheap, and nindot ra sad ang quality sa items. So I'm gonna show you the pants nga akong napalit. So mo ni siya, one, and napalit ko og 2 pairs. So before the 30th month pay nasulod sa amo ang ATM, so naka-budget na gyud na siya nga mo spend ko og around 1,000 pesos to buy pants. And so it's very fortunate kay pagsud na ko sa pen shop, naka-sale siya, and I'm gonna show you the original tag price. Ano siya, it's 1,099 for both items. And pagsud na ko, naka-sale siya, ang usa kay 1,099, and this one is only for 399 pesos, and the other one, original price 1,099, this is only for 299 pesos. So imagine dako kay kog na save ani nga pagkapalitan ako sa akong mga pantalon. So naka-budget ko og 1,000 plus originally, na sa ako ang budget list. So naka-save man ko ani from these 2 pants. Nakapalit pa gyud ko og extra nga item from pen shop, which is the Elements Air nga perfume or cologne. I think this is perfume. So I have a new scent to wear this new year or this season. So it's very nice to know nga naka-save gyud ko on this purchase. So hope you had also an opportunity to buy your own stuffs as a reward for yourself. And even though nagbaha ang kwarta this holiday season, make sure nga sulit sa di mong gigasto. If you have an option to buy something of the same quality and it's cheaper, so I think it's logical to go for that item. So I think that's just gonna be it for today. So stay tuned for more unpacking. Daghan na kay kog orders nga pending from Shopee. So stay tuned for that episodes, for those episodes. And hope you enjoy your day. Bye bye.